Was a 10-year boy. I had a teacher in 5th class in Rameshwaram. The teacher's name is Sivasubramania Iyer. He was teaching science in blackboard. He went how birds fly, he was teaching me. The way he taught how birds fly, not only he taught me how birds fly, he injected in me aim of my life, what I should do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
my
sir.
teacher's name is Sivasubramania Iyer. Next fellow. Next fellow.
Good evening, sir.
You can go. Yes.
Myself, Akash Pandey from 10th class. My question is, according to you, what is the formula of success?
What is the
What is the formula of success?
formula of
Success.
success? Formula of success like this. Repeat with me.
Yes, sir.
Have a aim in life.
Have a
Have a aim in life.
life. Have a aim in life.
Acquire the knowledge.
Acquire the knowledge.
Hard work with the devotion
uh, hard work with the devotion
and perseverance.
and the perseverance.
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 That means you should not afraid of the problem. You should
That-
defeat the problem and succeed. So if you have these four things, aim in life, acquiring the knowledge, hard work, perseverance, you achieve whatever you want. Okay? Next follow, next Ivan follow.
My name is Piyush Ganesh
What
Karkar
class you are studying?
from 7th standard from Khandelwal English School.
What's your dream?
My dream is become scientist.
Defense scientist. Okay, very good.
Sir, I want to ask one question to you. Is atomic energy is a clean source of energy? If not, what harm we get from it?
Well, atomic energy, like solar power, energy, okay, and thermal power is energy, hydropower, energy. Similarly, atomic power also energy. We have in India has got about 14 nuclear reactors. They generate electricity, okay. By 2020, they are going to generate 20,000 megawatt power of electricity, okay. Next follow. Next follow. What class you follow?
Hello, sir.
What class you are studying?
I am studying in 5th standard.
Which standard?
Fifth.
Fifth standard.
Yes, yes, yes.
What's your dream?
My dream is to become a computer engineer.
Oh, very good.
And my question is, which difficulties did you face during your studies and how did you solve them?
How?
How did you solve them?
Huh? What is that?
Which difficulties did you face?
How do you finish the difficulties? Eh? How do you handle the difficulties? Eh?
Yes, yes.
That's a question.
Yes.
How do I? See, I got a teacher. My teacher named Professor Satish Dhawan. He gave me one advice. If you do a big project, big problems will come. But problem should not become your captain. You should become the captain of the problem. Defeat the problem
Thank you, sir.
and succeed. Read, tell me. I will become
I will become
captain of the problem,
captain of the problem,
defeat the problem
defeat the problem
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
You are a good fellow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next.
Hello, sir. My name is Prajakta Pawar. I am student of Khandelwal English School, and
What class you are studying?
I am studying in 6th standard.
What is your dream?
My dream is to become like you.
Good luck, good luck. Wish you all the best. What is the question?
My question is, do you believe on the sun sing?
Do you?
Believe on the sun sing?
What?
Zodiac. The other word is zodiac.
Sunshine?
The Rashi like Virgo, Sagittarius.
I didn't get you. I don't believe it. Rasi, eh? I don't believe it. You know, I believe one thing. You know, Earth rotates one axis.
Yes.
You know, how much time it takes? 24 hours. So day and night.
Yes.
Then Earth orbits around the sun. How much time it takes? 1 year.
1 year.
1 year. So I have orbited around the sun 77 times I am in the 78th orbit. My age is 77. Okay? So I believe as long as Earth rotates one axis, as long as Earth orbits around the sun, everything, every day is a beautiful day. Every day happy day. Every day prosperous day.
Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. I am
Yes.
Prajakta Pramod Devtau from Khandelwal English School. I am studying in 6th standard. I want to know one thing from you. What is
Your dream, madam? Your dream.
I want to become an air hostess.
Aeronautical engineer.
Air hostess.
Air hostess. Wish you all then you keep your weight under control. you are controlling the weight, huh? Very good. Yes, what is the question?
Sir, I want to know one thing from you. What is TIFAC TIFAC and what is its function?
What is it?
What is TIFAC TIFAC and what is its function?
TIFAC. What is TIFAC? Is Technology Information Forecasting Council. It plans, for example, TIFAC generated that how India can be transformed into a developed nation by 2020. So they look at the future and it comes at the Department of Science and Technology. Very good organization. Okay, next.
Thank you, sir.
Hello sir, nice to see you here. Myself Shraddha Sri Krishna Birat. I am studying in 9th standard. I want to ask you one thing. In what way you reached your goal in your life?
What you?
In what way you have reached your goal in your life?
What way I have reached my goal in my life? You see, one thing I want to tell you. Very rarely people succeed without problem. Okay? I too went through all the problems. First satellite launch vehicle I launched. It's a failure. Instead of putting the satellite in the orbit, the satellite went to Bay of Bengal. It was a failure. But we are not frightened by the failure. We try to find out what is the reason for the failure. And next year, we have seen success comes. Now our space scientists, they can put a satellite in around the moon. They can land a payload in the moon, Chandrayaan. All this is possible because you should not be frightened with the problem. Okay? Frightened.
Thank you, sir.
Always defeat the problem. Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening. Myself, Pooja Khune from Khandula English School. I am studying in 7th standard.
10th standard.
7th.
7th standard. Yes.
Sir, don't you think that the development in science and technology is also destructive for the natural life? If yes, then how can we maintain the balance in both?
Well, it is like this. You make a aircraft carry the passengers. Aircraft also can carry, a fighter aircraft can carry the bombs and missiles, okay? Fertilizer gives the high production in grains, wheat and rice, okay? And also the same fertilizer can be made, the pesticide can be made as a chemical weapon, okay? The nuclear bomb, nuclear energy, electricity you can generate. Nuclear energy can be used for therapy, nuclear therapy, radiation therapy. Also you can make a bomb. Finally, it all depends who is user. That means the people, the political people, they take a decision. So it's essential. The students, when you grow, finally you become a political leaders, scientist, technologist, you will have with the righteousness in your mind, okay? Righteousness in the heart should be taught. Then you will take the right decision at the right time, okay?
I'm student of Mostly Engineering work and what's your dream? So I want to be a good politician. Good politician. Good politician.
Very good. Engineer becoming a politician.
My question is that is the 1, 2, 3 deal has the benefit to us?
Well, it's like this. We have 14 nuclear reactors. India has 14 nuclear reactors. All the nuclear reactors are thorium based. Nuclear reactors. Thorium based. No, I'm sorry. Uranium based. All uranium based nuclear reactors. Uranium we don't have sufficient uranium. So we good. Since our reactors are uranium based, we have money. We can buy from anybody that the fact no US nuclear fact will help us to buy from anywhere by uranium. Till we can self-reliant in polio based nuclear reactor. Okay? Last question. Last
Hello sir, so my name is Ankush Khandelwal. So my aim is to become a good businessman and success.
Good.
So success businessman.
Eh?
So succeed businessman.
Design man.
Yes.
You want to become good?
So businessman.
Businessman. You want to become a businessman?
Yes sir.
Very good. There, you repeat one thing what I am saying. Will you repeat?
Yes sir.
I will
I will
work with integrity
work with integrity
and succeed with integrity.
and succeed with integrity.
This motto you have, you will be the best businessman. Okay? Okay? Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Friends, whoever have got question, my email apj@abdulkalam.com. apj@abdulkalam.com. You send 24 hours, you get reply. Okay? Any of you, any question, if you send my mail apj@abdulkalam.com, you will get a reply 24 hours.
Thank you very much, sir. Your interaction with the students is a never-ending source of strength and motivation for them all. Today, I remember the lines of Honorable Dr. Kalam himself. I climbed and climbed, where is the peak, my lord? I plowed and plowed, where is the knowledge treasure, my lord? I sailed and sailed, where is the island of peace, my lord? I feel today we all have reached that peak of joy, that knowledge treasure, and that island of peace in the form of your motivating address to this august gathering. Thank you very much. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months in advance. It requires meticulous planning and execution and an eye for details. So now is the time to propose the vote of thanks. Now I request Dr. Taratai Hatwalne to propose the vote of thanks, and afterwards the program will be concluded with the recitation of the Rashtrageet.
सम्माननीय मंच और उपस्थित मान्यवर, जिस क्षण की प्रतीक्षा बढ़ती हुई उत्सुकता से हम कर रहे थे, वह क्षण आया। उस क्षण की सुखद सुरम्य अनुभूति प्राप्त हुई। मन में विचार आता है कि कालचक्र यही रुक जाए और हमें सम्माननीय कलाम साहब का सहवास मिलता ही रहे, लेकिन ऐसा हो नहीं सकता। जिसे प्रारंभ है उसे अंत भी है। यहाँ अंतिम समय अब आया है हार्दिक आभार प्रकट करने का। शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल के सुवर्ण महोत्सवी वर्ष में आने वाला यह सुवर्ण क्षण अर्थात सम्माननीय कलाम साहब की उपस्थिति, इस सुवर्ण क्षण की छवि हमारे हृदय में अमिट रहेगी। आदरणीय कलाम साहब, आपका सहवास हमें प्राप्त हुआ। आपने अपने व्यस्त समय से हमें समय दिया, हमारे बच्चों के साथ बाय हार्ट बातचीत की। इसलिए शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल की ओर से बहुत बहुत हार्दिक आभार। हम आपकी अनमोल उपस्थिति हमारी संस्था के लिए एक इतिहास बनाकर रहेगी। उपस्थित विद्यार्थी, पालक, निमंत्रित, मीडिया पर्सनालिटीज, प्रशासकीय अधिकारी, सभी को सहकार्य के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। यह सुंदर समारोह की यशस्विता के लिए प्रत्यक्ष या अप्रत्यक्ष जिनका सहकार्य प्राप्त हुआ, उन सभी को हार्दिक धन्यवाद। अंत में सभी उपस्थित महानुभाव की ओर से एक सदिच्छा प्रकट करती हूँ। कवयित्री बहिणाबाई चौधरी की पंक्तियों में कुछ परिवर्तन करके कहूंगी मैं। खूप जगा विज्ञान भास्करा, खूप जगा विज्ञान भास्करा, असं जगणं तोलाचं, उंच गगनासारखं, भारतभूच्या मोलाचं, भारतभूच्या मोलाचं. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की.